Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. I am back, as you can see, in the flesh or through your camera lens, whatever. But today I have a get ready with me. I'm going to update you guys just a little bit on why I've been absent for the beginning why I have been absent for like the beginning of the year, which you guys know I take these mental breaks anyway, so I guess I really don't have to tell you guys anyways, but just to let you guys know. Gave you guys a little update and I did this classic red lip look. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, what I've been up to and all of that good stuff, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna get started on my eyebrows. Right now I have this satin or silk scarf clipped around my shoulders so that my hair doesn't get even more frizzy while it rubs against my shirt. I'm quickly gonna do my eyebrows with the It Cosmetics Brow Power. I'm not gonna talk because it would take incredibly long if I'm talking while I'm doing my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna do it really quickly with the Brow Power. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are all done, I'm gonna start on my eyeshadow. My eyeshadow is gonna be super simple because I want to do a red lip. I feel like I haven't done a red lip in like really long, and red lips make me feel, I don't know, it just gives me this extra like good vibes, like all this really great energy. So I love a red lip. I don't know if you guys seen in the clip, but I did also put some concealer on my eyelids and I also set it with some powder. So now I'm just gonna go in with some eyeshadow. So for the eyes, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I actually recently got this palette. Ever since I seen this palette, I was just like speechless, exactly how I am now. So I'm really excited. I've done some looks with this palette already, but I'm keeping it very simple. This palette, if you guys haven't seen it yet, which I strongly doubt, has all the perfect neutrals in here. So that is why I'm using this palette, because all the browns in here are like perfect. Like you have every single shade of transition color that you would possibly ever need. So the first shade I'm gonna be using is Pukey. I think that's Pukey. Yes, it's Pukey, and I'm taking that on a regular fluffy blending brush. And I'm gonna use that kind of in as my transition shade, but kind of all over my eyelid as well. So how has 2019 been treating you guys lately? 2018 was such a great year for me in general, like in so many different aspects. A lot of great things happened in 2018. It was like bittersweet, kind of like saying goodbye to 2018 and then also welcoming a brand new fresh start for 2019. I'm excited about this year as well because this year has started off with a bang for me. I'm really excited about all the things that are to come for the year because I think that's what it's all about. It's about elevating everything for the new year. Elevating your mental, elevating your work, any and everything. Okay, so to finish up the eyes, what I used was Mocha, which is a beautiful brown. It is this shade right here. And then I also went into Creamsicle, which is this orange yellow, like burnt yellow kind of color here. And I love that. I just use that to diffuse the edges of the crease. And that is all I'm gonna do for the eyes. So the eyes are super simple. I'm gonna take my superhero liner by It Cosmetics and I'm gonna do I'm not gonna do a crazy wing, just a little baby wing-ish. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara for now. I am possibly going to use falsies. I really want to use falsies, but I have been meaning to buy lash glue and it wasn't at my local drugstore for some reason for the past like 2 weeks. So I'm really thinking about just ordering it online. I haven't had to use falsies because I haven't been wearing much makeup anyway, so that's why it hasn't been like a priority. But if I can get some glue out of my current lash glue, then I will apply falsies. If not, probably just apply more mascara later. It's not a problem. Oh, the mascara I'm using is Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, and I really love this mascara. I love the wand most of all because it is nice and fluffy, and I feel like it gets each lash because of the wand, so I really love it. Oh, look what just happened. I'm gonna just leave that there for now. And that is all I'm doing. I'm gonna let that dry up, and then I'm gonna apply this Kokie Cosmetics or Kokie Professional Get Ready Makeup Priming Spray. And I've been using this, like, it's like up to here. So I've used it quite a bit. I just received this in the mail probably like a month ago, or probably even less than that. But I really, really love it. It's nice and refreshing, and I love primer sprays. Anyways, while I wait for my mascara to dry, the reason why I have not uploaded on YouTube is because, as I said, I did use the new year as a boost to start doing things that I haven't been doing in the past couple of years, I guess. For the month of January, I've just been prepping myself for just being a better person and the year in general. I wanted to start off the year in a better mindset. Yeah, just take some time for myself. I think that a lot of people will be like, well, I want to do this next year or this year and all of that stuff, and then don't actually take the time to build that momentum, and they just feel like when the clock strikes 12 on January 1st, all of a sudden I'm this new person. So new year, new me, and that's it. And yeah, you can have that mentality. You can do that, like at 12 all of a sudden you stop certain habits. That's a great thing to do. But at the same time, if you want to have longevity, I personally feel like maybe taking the month of January or a couple of, like, the first 2 to 3 weeks in the year to really set things up and put the year into perspective, it would function better for you. So that's basically what I've been doing, especially for my YouTube. I wanted to get ready to start filming again. I wanted to get myself mentally prepared, physically prepared, take care of my body all over again, recharge and reboost and start all over again, start fresh. And as I said, the new year is a great motivation to have you do that. So that's what I've been doing all of January thus far. A lot of great things have happened as far as personal accomplishments, and I'm really, really excited to share that with you guys. You guys are going to be seeing some things pretty soon. And yeah, I'm just setting up things, and now I'm definitely back to filming, as you can clearly see. Anyways, I am going to spray my face with this makeup priming spray. I love setting sprays, makeup sprays, any sprays that kind of just refresh the skin. I really, really love them. Oh, and this is clearly my fan. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin, and this is the 24-hour full coverage foundation. This is in the shade Y415. I've been using this foundation since I received it, and I received this probably, I think it was in October. I went to a Makeup Forever event where they were launching this product, and ever since, this has been my go-to foundation. I didn't even realize that there was a whole bunch of other foundations in my collection that I really loved, but I just stopped using because this is the real deal. Of course, if you have dry skin, which I tend to have in the winter, it might not be the best, but if your skin is nicely hydrated and you work with it, then it could do well. But I just really love it so much and I can't put it down. And I'm just gonna use my beauty blender to blend that in. And because it is a matte foundation, well, it's a matte velvet, so it's not like completely matte. Beauty blender is best to blend it, in my opinion. That way the dampness of the beauty blender adds some moisture back into the skin. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see, but that coverage is kind of amazing. So for concealer, I'm gonna be using, oh, okay, my clip decided to unclip. So for concealer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer, and mine is in the shade Light. I'm going to be using this yellow powder in the Kokie Cosmetics Contour and Highlight Palette. I'm going to just use that with my beauty blender. And so I'm going to be using my L'Oreal True Match powder, and this is in Warm. This is in the shade W6, and I'm going to be applying that with my beauty blender as well, all over my face. And I am using my Kokie Cosmetics Powder Contour Palette, and I'm going to use the last two shades. I was going to say my forehead looks super small today, but then I look in the camera and it looks its normal size. So never mind. I'm going to apply just a tiny bit of blush, and this is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores blush in the shade Je ne sais quoi. And I'm going to apply with that same brush that I was using for my bronzer. Oh my god, the last video I think I uploaded before this was going to San Francisco to watch the Warriors game. That trip gave me life, okay? I watched the Warriors, every single game that they have, I watch them on TV. And because I'm on the East Coast, if I can't watch all of them because it's not streaming on a channel that I can watch, I definitely go online somewhere and I watch the game. Like, I love the Warriors. So when I got to see it in person, it was just like mind-blowing. I was so excited to just see the magic happen in person. It's definitely different than seeing it on TV for sure. Like, I've been to various basketball games before this. I even went to see the Warriors at the Barclays Center, but it's just not the same as being in Oracle Arena. It's really not. And that trip was just a great way to end 2018 because it did like everything. Okay, so before I do my highlight, I am gonna attempt to put some falsies on. Let's hope that this lash glue gives me a little something. Let's see what I can do. If I can't do it, as I said, I'm just gonna apply a whole bunch of mascara and call it a day. I'm getting some glue out of this, so it looks like we're doing falsies. But it is from the brand Chantecal. This is in the shade Protea. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, and this is the final look. I did diffuse my hair just a tad bit, but I think I'm gonna let it air dry for the rest of the day. I don't want to apply too much heat to it because I did just straighten it for the beginning of this year, so I don't want to apply too much heat. I'm letting my curls get back in order. But anyways, this is the final makeup look. It is your classic red lip look basically, and I hope you enjoyed this. Get ready with me. I will have more videos in the future. Also, I am planning on doing some tags and Q&As, so if you're not following me on Instagram, I don't know if I'll do anything on Twitter, but if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to follow me if you want to be involved and included in those videos, because I will obviously give you guys, whoever asks questions, I will give you guys a shout out. So yeah, make sure to go follow me on my Instagram, which all of those links are always in the description box below. So be sure to go check it out. Yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video.